Hi everybody, we're here at Dalesdown. We're just outside Horsham. Now, the reason we're here, Dalesdown reached out to us some time back and said they've got some issues with the plumbing system and they weren't really sure what they do or who to turn to. So they turned to us as a manufacturer to see what we could do to help. Now, Dalesdown itself is sort of split into two parts really. So the activity centre can be hired out for the local community or for people to come, hire it as a safe space where people can sleep, there's activities they can do, all that kind of stuff. But also really importantly, part of the charity is to support children in foster care and give respite for those sorts of children. So there's an activity centre, there's a sports centre, all that sort of stuff. It's giving back to the community. So all of the money that they raise, it goes back into local community and they feed like 100 vulnerable people every week. They look after the elderly, all that kind of stuff. So it's a really good charitable cause. So when they reached out, we came down, we inspected the plumbing system, we looked at the TMV, so the anti-scald protection, and we saw that some of it wasn't right, there wasn't some sort of point in use protection, but also some of the valves were old and we weren't really sure whether they were working properly. So what we decided to do was offer some help in going through the TMV system, going through the hot water system to make sure it's safe for anybody who's using this building. They can come and use it safely and ensure there's going to be no burns or scald when using the hot water systems. So some of the areas that we identified where we needed to put the TMVs were certainly the sleeping areas where they've got the ensuite, so obviously when people are using the hand wash basins in there, make sure it's safe. Obviously a lot of vulnerable children here, so make sure that we're keeping those as safe as we possibly can. Also in the communal washrooms, the communal toilets, we made sure that they've got the right valves in there to make sure people are protected, but also the kitchenette areas, so people where they've got obviously the hot taps for using for washing up, but also the hand wash basins for the staff as well. So we're looking after all of the communal areas to make sure everybody's kept safe and the scald protection is there. So once we've done the inspection, decided that we were going to use TMVs or thermostatic mixing valves, but it was really important that we made the right choice of mixing valve. So we chose our Mixcal Careflo Plus. Now, for two reasons really, it offers the highest protection for anti-scalding, so it covers the TMV3, so although this isn't healthcare, we always make sure it offers the highest level of protection, but also the way that the building is used, there's quite a lot of time when it's not in any use, which obviously creates dead legs in the system, and the Mixcal Careflo Plus has got a really important feature, and that's its sort of anti-legionella function, or the sort of thermal disinfection cycle of the valve. So what can happen is we can pull that raw hot water all the way through the system, all the way through the taps to make sure any bacterial growth or anything that might be going in the system during times of downtime, that can get pulled through the system and purged to make sure it's safe from protection, but also safe from bacterial growth as well. So we're going to head inside the building now. It's the middle of November. It's a little bit chilly out here, but it's a nice day. So we're going to go inside, we're going to start stripping some valves out and replace them with the Mixcal Careflo Plus. So we're here now inside the kitchen area down at Dalesdown. So we've got a wash hand basin now in the kitchen area which requires TMV cover because obviously people can wash their hands and we're trying to add that anti-scald device. Any normal kitchen tap doesn't need a TMV because we need that unrestricted flow to get rid of food and grease. So we're here now, hand wash basin. What we're going to do, we're going to take the old valve out, ready to install the new one. So we've now removed the old TMV or thermostatic mixing valve from under the sink. There's no date stamp on here, it wasn't doing the fail-safe testing properly, so we decided to take it out and we're going to replace it with a brand new Mixcal Careflo Plus.